Hi, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're doing something that I haven't done in a really long time, a good old-fashioned hair review. So if you're interested in this hair that I'm wearing, and wearing well if I must say myself, then just keep watching. But before we get into all the details of this hair, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free, and yeah, you should just do it, sis. Why not? You're not doing anything else. Okay, but now getting to the point of the video before you leave. This hair is Nadula hair. I bought this hair with my own money. I have in a 18-inch free part closure, two 22 inches, and a 20-inch in Brazilian body wave. This hair cost me $198.82 is what it was total. But then they had a coupon code, so I got $10 off. So I actually only ended up spending $188.82, which is a good thing that I've noticed about their company. They always have coupon codes and deals of that nature. So I ordered the hair. I have notes. I ordered the hair on April the 27th, which was a Saturday, and I got it either the 1st or the 2nd, I can't remember, which was a Thursday or Wednesday. So shipping was pretty fast. Customer service was really good. When I was checking out, I didn't realize that I had put both my billing address and shipping address as the same, but I actually needed to ship it to a different address. So I just emailed customer service and they were pretty responsive. It probably took them not even a full day to respond back to me and update that and make the address change for me. So customer service was good. So I got the hair packaged up in a little box, USPS. I don't have any of that anymore, so sorry if you care about those types of things, but I really don't care about that when I'm looking for a hair review. So the hair came with these little standard lashes that all bundles are coming with nowadays, and it also came with this little scarf, which I was kind of excited about because I needed a new scarf to wrap my hair up at night. So thanks for that free gift as well. Now moving on to like the actual quality of the hair. When I got the hair, it didn't have a weird smell or anything of that nature, but of course you should probably still wash it. 22 inches is my longest length, and I'm 5'2", so it almost comes up to the top of my butt, so pretty true to length. The hair was really soft. It still is soft, and yeah, I think it's pretty good quality for the money. One con that I do have about the hair is that I'm having a hard time to get it to hold a curl. So when I first got it installed, by the way, I forgot to mention this is a sew-in, so this review is like really true to what this hair can do because I've been sleeping on it. It's been all out in the elements. You know, when you have a wig, you can just take it off and the hair can kind of deceive you that it's good because it hasn't really been through anything. But this hair has been through 2 weeks of like hell. I got it installed on the 22nd of April, and I think it's now, sorry, not April, 22nd of May. Yeah. And it's now June the 3rd, so I've had it in for 2 weeks going on 3. So I know this hair. I know this isn't one of those quick little initial reviews where, you know, you really don't know if the hair is good or not. I don't like how it doesn't really hold a curl. When I first got it installed, she one curled it for me, and that lasted a couple of days. But I don't really like to put a lot of heat on hair just because I feel like it preserves the hair longer if I'm not constantly putting hot tools on it. But I find that that's the only way that it'll hold a style. If I do like flexi ride curls, they're pretty much gone by the end of the day. I have to set all curls with heat first and then roll it, or just use a hot tool, period, in order for it to keep a curl. And the last time that I used a hot tool in order for it to keep the curl, I noticed that the ends started to get a little shriveled. I don't really know how to describe it. Like I don't know. Something weird happened with the ends, so I'm probably gonna have to go through and trim them. So I didn't really like that. But all in all, it's pretty good hair for the money. I really can't complain. I would buy from them again. So yeah. And these are one curls, by the way, that I did. Yeah. See, like the ends got crunchy, so now it makes it like a little bit tangly. So that's kind of bothersome because it wasn't tangly like that before until whatever weird thing happened once I put my flat iron on it to curl it. If you guys have any questions regarding the hair, please leave them down below. Let's chat in the comments, you know. Why not? Subscribe while you're here. Go check out some other videos on my channel. I have other hair reviews up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.